Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B. Question number 15. Find the area and perimeter of a square plot. The length of the diagonal is 15 meter. Find and give your answer to two places of decimal. So now we know that in a square, all the sides are equal, right? And this is 90 degree and the diagonal is given. This is called the diagonal and the diagonal is 15 meter. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we will apply here? We will apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is perpendicular and this is base and this is perpendicular, right? So now hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So 15 square is equal to a square plus a square. Fine. So 15 square is equal to 2a square. Fine. So 15 square by 2 comes here, becomes divide, is a square. So what is a? A is square root of 15 square by 2. Fine. So square root of 15 square will be 15 because 2 in a pair, and 2 ka square root will be root 2. So this is the value of the side of this particular square, that is 15 by root 2. Now we know that we have to find the area and the perimeter. Fine. So what we will do here, first we will try to rationalize the side. What does rationalizing means? Removing the square root from the denominator. So rationalize, how we will rationalize? We know that when we multiply the denominator with root 2 into root 2, what is root 2 into root 2? It is 2. Yes. So we'll rationalize the denominator by multiplying the denominator with root 2. So what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator also. So this will become 15 root 2 by 2. So now this has been, the side has been rationalized. Now we will find the perimeter. Perimeter is what? 4 into side, 4 into a, that is 4 into 15 root 2 by 2. Fine. So this will become your 2, 15 2s are 30, 30 root 2. Fine. Now what is 30 root 2? 30 root 2, root 2 is 1.414, right? So 30 into 1.414. You will multiply this and you will get the answer somewhat near. Okay, first we'll multiply and see by 3. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 2 4 2, right? 4 2 4 2, and how many and a 0 with this 0, how many places decimal? 3 places, so it will come here. So this will come to 42.42 approximately, right? Now we want to find the area. What is the area? Area is side into side, that is here a into a. A is 15 root 2 by 2 into 15 root 2 by 2. Fine. Okay. So what will be the area of this thing? 15 into 15. 15 multiplied by 15. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. And 2 into 2 at the bottom in the denominator. 15 into 15 is 2, 2, 5. 2 to cancel, divided by 2. This will be 112.5 meter square. So this is how we will find the perimeter and the area.